Have you ever noticed how a relationship can look completely fine from the outside, only for one partner to suddenly say that they've emotionally checked out? To the other person, it may seem like it happened out of nowhere, but in many situations, that emotional separation wasn't created overnight. It usually developed little by little. Many relationship experts point out that people often carry expectations they never openly communicate. Rather than explaining every need directly, they may quietly hope their partner will recognize certain things on their own. Whether that's the healthiest way to communicate is certainly debatable, but understanding it can help explain how small misunderstandings sometimes turn into emotional distance. In today's video, we're looking at 7 thoughtful behaviors that many women may appreciate even when they don't always specifically ask for them. Of course, every person and relationship is different, so these points won't describe everyone. Still, they can offer useful ideas for improving communication, emotional security, and connection. Let's get started. Number 7. Offer calm instead of trying to fix everything immediately. Life can become stressful very quickly. Work pressure, family obligations, personal concerns, and everyday responsibilities can all accumulate at the same time. When that happens, many men naturally respond by trying to find a solution and offering practical advice. Sometimes that's exactly what a partner needs, but in other situations, the most valuable thing isn't an immediate solution. It's simply knowing that someone is there. Sitting next to her, listening without constantly interrupting, offering a comforting hug, or reminding her that she doesn't have to handle everything by herself can sometimes mean much more than giving a quick answer. Being emotionally present can create a deeper sense of connection than immediately solving the problem. Not every difficult moment needs a solution right away. Sometimes what matters most is feeling understood and supported. Number 6. Use her name during meaningful moments. Nicknames such as babe or love can be affectionate and sweet, but hearing her actual name during a meaningful conversation can create a different kind of personal connection. It can communicate that you're genuinely focused on her as an individual, rather than simply speaking to her out of habit. Whether you're expressing gratitude, encouraging her, or sharing something important, naturally using her name can make the interaction feel more sincere and personal. These may seem like tiny details, but small moments of personal attention can sometimes stay with someone for a surprisingly long time. Number 5. Stay confident instead of becoming possessive. Confidence and jealousy create very different experiences in a relationship. If someone else notices your partner, responding with anger, insecurity, or suspicion can easily create unnecessary tension. A calm and confident response, however, can communicate trust, not only in your partner, but also in yourself and the relationship. You don't need to prove anything when someone shows interest in her. Standing comfortably beside her, including her naturally in the conversation, or showing affection without turning the situation into a competition can communicate emotional security far more effectively. Confidence can help strengthen attraction and trust, while constant suspicion can gradually make both partners feel uncomfortable. Number 4. Notice opportunities to help before you're asked. Everyday relationships involve countless responsibilities, and many of them aren't immediately visible. Remembering appointments, keeping track of household tasks, organizing plans, or simply noticing what needs to be done can create a significant mental burden. When you recognize something that needs attention and handle it without waiting for instructions, you're demonstrating awareness, not merely completing another chore. It shows your partner that you're willing to share responsibility, rather than expecting her to carry the entire mental workload. And often, thoughtful everyday actions can communicate more than expensive presents ever could. Number 3. Keep investing in the relationship. At the beginning of a relationship, people often put in a lot of intentional effort. They plan dates, send thoughtful messages, give compliments, express affection, and constantly look for little ways to make each other happy. But as time goes on, familiarity can turn into routine, and sometimes those small intentional efforts slowly disappear. Healthy long-term relationships don't necessarily require dramatic gestures every day. What matters more is consistently reminding your partner that she is still important to you. A genuine compliment, an unexpected date night, a thoughtful message during a busy day, or simply asking how she's doing can show that